In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected view-only Google Slides files from Google Drive. Before we start, a quick note. View-only files are usually restricted for a reason, like copyright or privacy. Always make sure you have permission from the owner to work with or reuse the content you're downloading. This guide is for educational purposes and for situations where you're allowed to have an offline copy, but the file is just locked to prevent accidental editing. Let's begin inside Google Drive. First, open the Google Slides file that's set to view only. You'll notice that options like download or make a copy might be disabled in the file menu. That's what we're working around, but again, only if you have legitimate access and permission. Once the slideshow is open, you'll be using your browser's built-in tools to save each slide. The simplest way is to go slide by slide and capture them as images. Click on the first slide in the left sidebar to make sure it's selected and fully visible in the main preview area. Now, right-click directly on the slide area in the center of the screen. Depending on your browser, you may see an option like Save Image As, or something similar if the slide is being rendered as an image. If that appears, you can save the slide as a picture to your computer. Choose a folder where you want to store all the slides so they stay organized, if you don't see that option, or the slide isn't directly savable as an image. Another approach is to use your browser's print feature. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog. In many browsers, you can change the destination printer to save as PDF. When you do this, you'll often get a preview of each slide as separate pages. Adjust the layout if needed, then save the file as a PDF. This gives you a complete offline copy of the presentation in one file. If the print dialog doesn't show the slides correctly, you can also use your operating system's screenshot tool. Zoom the slide so it's clear and sharp. Then capture the visible slide as an image. Do this for each slide you need. It takes a bit longer, but it preserves exactly what you see. Once you've saved your slides, you can combine images into a new presentation or keep them as a PDF for reference. And remember, always respect the original owner's rights and any restrictions on how the content can be used or shared.